Okay. Okay. So, good afternoon, kids. So, in this picture, you will see tiny tiger. Again, this is tiny tiger. Tiny tiger begins with what letter? Big letter T. Big letter T and small letter T. What is the sounds of letter T? Again, the sounds of letter T. Tiny tiger. So now, look at this screen po. The next one. Okay, so look at the picture here po, kids. In this picture, here are the pictures begins with letter T or sounds. The first one, telephone. Telephone. While the other one, turtle. This is a turtle. Turtle begins with letter T. Next one, tie. Tie begins also in letter T. The next picture, tent. Tent begins with letter T. Next one, toaster. Toaster also begins with letter T. And the last picture, this is a tree. Tree begins with letter T. Again, kids, so here are the picture begins with letter T. Telephone, turtle, tie, tent, toaster, and tree. Now, let's proceed here po. Kindly look at this picture. I want you to find the picture sounds T. 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 What is your answer here po? Kindly check it po and find the picture sounds T. 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 Okay, so the answer here is turtle, toaster, tie, and tent. So turtle, toaster, tie, tent, it sounds the letter T. Sounds T, 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 T. Okay, so now in your page 5, kids, I want you to get your RR04 red book and open it on page 5. Oh, sorry. Page, not on page 5. I meant on page 4. So look at your page 4 and I want you to look at the picture here on the first row. Where is the picture here po? Sounds T, T, T. Is it telephone, turtle, bread? How about on the second row? Tie. Is it a tie, fish, pencil? Again, tie, fish, pencil. So which picture here sounds T, T, T? Next one, the next row, rope, tent, tree. Rope, tent, tree. Next one, I want you to point all the picture sounds T, T, T. And then using your crayon, I want you to kindly get your green crayon and color the picture sounds T, T, T. Only green crayon. Color the picture sounds T, T, T using your green crayon. Okay, next one. In your page 5, oh, this is now page 5. On page 5, I want you to listen to teacher and I will tell the name of this picture. On the first row, you will see here the tent. Tent. While on the second row, tie. While on the third row, tree. While on the fourth row, toaster. Okay, all of this picture sounds t, t, t. Now, I want you to look at the picture using your eyes. Look at the picture and find which picture here are the same. Which picture here are the same. And now, using your pointer fingers, I want you to point. I want you to point the same picture here po. Where is the same picture and point it using your pointer fingers. And the last one, get your brown crayon. Get your brown crayon and color it brown. All the same picture. All the same picture, color it brown in your page 5. Okay, next one. In your page 6, this is a color pattern. Again, a color pattern. So what shape did you see here in my screen? So in your page 6, a circle shape. Now, in your circle shapes, I want you to color the first circle red. On the first row, you will see the first circle here, red, second, blue, third one, green. Red, blue, green. Now, I want you to color the first circle here on the first set on the left side. Color it red. The second one, color it blue. The third circle, color it green. While on the other side, on the right side, color this one, the first circle red. The second one, blue. The third one, green. Okay. Next row for number 2, we have here yellow, the first circle, second circle orange, and the third circle pink. Now I want you to color the first circle yellow, second orange, third circle pink. While on the other side, yellow, orange, pink. That is on the second row. Yellow, orange, pink. Next row for the third row. On the first circle, I want you to color it blue. On the second circle, I want you to color it green. On the third circle, I want you to color it yellow. While on the other side, I want you to color the first circle blue, the second circle green, and the last circle or the third circle yellow. That is the color pattern in your page 6. Okay, next one. Next one. Okay, look at the picture here po. In this picture in your page 7, the mother prepares snacks for Ace. Again, the mother or the mommy prepares snacks for Ace. She bake or she make sandwiches or the bread toaster or the bread toast for Ace. Now, I want you to help Ace to find which bread that Ace can eat here. Again, because Ace can eat the bread here begins with the letter T. So where is the bread begins with the letter T? Can you help Ace to find the bread with begins with the letter T? T, T, T. I want you to color it brown. Kindly get your brown crayon and color all the bread begins with letter T. T, T, T. Color it brown. Done. After that, kids, after you color the letter T, the bread begins with letter T. Using your pencil, or I want you to get your pencil and I want you to cross out or put an X. The bread with not begins with letter T. Again, the bread it's not letter T. Cross out or put an X in your page 7. Next one. This is the last page. For page 8, this one is a shapes. So what shape did you see on the first row? You see the circle, circle, triangle, circle, circle, triangle. Now I want you to point using your pointer fingers. I want you to trace the broken lines here on the circle, the second circle, and then also the triangle shape. Trace it using your pointer fingers. While on the second row, this one is the square shape. Let's trace it using your pointer fingers. Triangle shape. Trace it using your pointer fingers, and the square shapes using your pointer fingers. And the third row, what shape is this? This is a rectangle shape. Rectangle shape, let's trace it using your pointer fingers. And also, this one is the square shapes. Okay, next one, if you are done tracing using your pointer fingers, I want you to trace it using your pencil. Kindly trace the broken lines here on the shapes using your pencil. So let's end here, kids. Okay, if because you are done here, this is for you a very good stars.